Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a review of the Esoteric Detail Supply Kit. I want to give a big shout out to Zane Integrated Engineering for hooking me up with their detail supply kit. I really appreciate it, man. I've tried out a couple of their products and been really happy with them so far. I'm going to be doing a review today of their wheel cleaner, and I'll be taking out some of the supplies, kind of what comes in the box, what all comes with it, and then showing how the wheel cleaner works. So appreciate it, man. Thank you. So the box came with a couple different sponges here for applying different compounds and stuff like that. Came with a big towel. Came with interior detailer spray. And it came with all the sprayer tops too, which was actually really nice. I wasn't expecting this kit to be this big, and I wasn't expecting it to have all the sprayers and everything. This is a really nice high-end quality kit. Glass cleaner. APC tire cleaner. Isopropyl alcohol, which is great for getting off tree sap or just debris and stuff on the paint without damaging the paint. Tar remover, insect remover for bug guts and stuff like that that are splattered on the front of your car. This is iron remover. This is a carpet and upholstery cleaner. This is their panel prep. This is a maintenance detail spray, like a quick detailer. And then they have a microfiber washing compound and a pH neutral shampoo for actually washing the body of the car. And then also tire dressing and the wheel cleaner that I'm going to be actually showing you guys here today. I've used this stuff before. It works really well. I've used quite a few different kinds of wheel cleaners in the past, and this is honestly my personal favorite. I think this one so far, from the couple times that I've used it, I think it works the best out of the rest that I've tried. The main thing I'm going to be showing you guys today is the wheel cleaner and the APC tire cleaner. Both of these I've tried and they work really well. So let's take a look here at the wheel. It's pretty dirty. You can see all the brake dust in there. Here's a better look at the wheel, just how dirty it is. These are painted wheels, for anybody who was curious. I'm going to be spraying the wheel cleaner first. I spray it pretty generously on the wheel, between all the spokes, over all the painted surfaces. And here's the tire cleaner. And we're just going to let those sit here for a few minutes and get to work. And then I'll come back and clean them. The only thing I'm using to wipe these is water. This is just water. Water and then the chemical to actually clean the rims. guys can see, that wheel cleaner works really good. I didn't touch it with anything but the wheel cleaner itself and just water on the rag, and all of that brake dust came right off my painted wheels. I really like the wheel cleaner. It works really good. It's definitely my favorite one that I've tried so far. Can't talk enough about how good it works. And again, big thank you to Zane for hooking me up with this kit. That's going to be all for today, guys. See ya.